What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY slime. What you'll be needing are food coloring, 3 food colorings, because I'm doing Galaxy Can too, and I already poured in the clear glue. Sorry, I'm using Elmer's Can. I think Elmer's Can will be best. I'm not sure. I haven't used any other kind of glue. And then next you'll need, doesn't matter how much borax you put, it just won't be stretchy if you put a whole bunch in, so make sure you don't. But for the borax, you'll need a separate container like this. So yeah. So don't do the food coloring right now because you'll see at the end. So don't put water with the clear glue yet because you're not supposed to do. Just leave that to the side, and then actually next you're supposed to get borax. As much borax as you want. Just remember the lesson. I told you. If you put a lot, it won't be stretchy. So I'm not going to put a lot. I'm actually not going to be putting this much. And I'll tell you how much to put. Well, you can put as much as you guys want. I'm just not putting a lot. Sorry guys, I had to do that because they're big. Just a second, guys. Put a little bit more. Okay. Next, you want to get water. Then a mixing tool. I'm just using a pencil. Make sure you get all the big pieces out, because I do have really big pieces in here. Not really big, just big enough, then yeah. You want to make sure you don't have too big pieces so it won't take a long time. And I'm just like stabbing them because I don't want this video to be really long. And my camera doesn't have a stop on it like LG's and others do. I don't, so that's what sucks. But iPhones are good, I think. Yeah. Right, next, pour these two together. So I recommend to put this together with this because the clear glue is very long to put with this. It will be a long wait. So I'm only putting that much. And then I'm going to be stirring this until it gets to the right good slime. So yeah, you can see it's very, very sticky. It's because I didn't add enough yet. You just should add more and more each time you keep going. And it'll get less stickier. So yeah. And if it's sticky, put it in the fridge for just a little bit. Still kind of sticky, that's okay guys. If it's sticky, because you know what? That's fine. Now I'm going to pour all of it together. And then just like start playing with it. And you could like start to see that it's getting less stickier because you put everything together. And this is clear glass slime right now. That's what's really cool about this, but I'm not done. Still have a lot more to go. Yes, this is very slimy. Kind of stretchy. That's what I love about this slime. Alright, next. I'm not done yet. So if you put it on your hand too long and stuff, like I just did, it would be getting sticky and stuff. Like, look at this. This is stretchy. Like, very stretchy. Okay, now, just get medium pieces and pull it. Like this. Okay, now, get your other container, put food coloring. Like, in the middle kind of way. Like, I have to wash my hands right after this, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Like, this is very messy.
Oh, your hands are good.
Oh, that's not good. That's okay, Mama. Alright, and then, like, put it somewhere. I'm going to put it in the other container. And then kind of get a bigger piece of it, and then just do that. Oh yeah, put the cap back on too. So, like I told you, this is kind of messy, or very messy, you could say. This gel kind is not staying on your fingers as much. It goes away actually pretty good.
Do you want to put nuts in the cookies?
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah. Just don't like nuts that much.
Ready for you to start with chocolate chips.
Put a lot.
What?
Can you put a lot, though?
I did.
Good, Mama.
You want me to just do this?
Yeah. It would be best. She Mama, look. If that's okay, right, Mom?
Sure.
It doesn't matter. Hopefully for you.
It doesn't matter to me.
That had put that much food coloring. Well, that's the gel kind, so I. So yes, this is actually the messiest thing you could ever do in your life, probably. Probably. This is the messiest thing I've ever done in my life so far, probably. Alright, now, just grab the last piece of it all. The princess of it. Yeah. And then, do the same thing. This time I didn't put as much, so that's a good thing. Right, Mama? Because, like, I'm not supposed to be doing this, actually. Because I have cheer today. But I'm going to be as careful as possible for this one. Because pink can show very easily, probably. Oh, great. Alright guys, now I just finished. Oh, shoot. Oh, I don't like anything. Thank God. It's just like, shoot. Alright, now as soon as you like leave it, just for a little bit, it will not do anything to your fingers. And then, like, guys, this is like the best slime I've ever made, probably. Just saying. It's not sticking to me. Well, not the food kind, just the slime, because that's okay to me. So this is a DIY, and yeah,
I was just gonna say, oh my god, where did my pink slime go?
you know what I'm saying. Sorry guys, this was a long video, but if you watched all of this, this probably might be worth it for you guys. Probably. Aubrey, hi. We are 6'5" cousins. Sorry. Alright, so I'm not done yet. Almost done. It's a little sticky for now, but this is what it turned out like. I put more purple, but this is not what I wanted. Like, I was actually not going to stack these on top, but I did in accident because I haven't done a DIY before, so this is my DIY. Mommy, do you like it?
I'm not touching it though.
Why?
Because it'll turn my fingers.
No, it won't. Touch it.
No!
Yeah!
Wow, that's a good one. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for my Cancer DIY.
So, like, oh, no. This is awesome, and I hope you guys do this. And yeah.